Welcome back friends. Optimal maintenance for Panasonic robot. Friends, today's topics are how to set tool auto escape function and details of usage these functions. First of all, I want to introduce this topic. Generally, we are facing a lot of problem during the building, like a wire stick, wire error, and any types of error related to welding. The arc failure, no arc, at all types of the welding. Then use these functions to avoid this type of error. When you are using these functions, then if any error found in during the welding, then robot torch, welding torch retract, and after resolving the error, come to welding points and continue the welding. This is the very easy and very useful function for Panasonic robot, because these are the major problem for production and maintenance issues. How to set these functions? Okay, then first of all, there are the setting details on the screen. Operation procedures. Okay, go to set, then advanced setting, then error handling. When you on the error handling, then without touching escape points, it's move a robot to tool direction and a specified distance is specified by you. It gives the beautiful bid at restart point by using it the restart overlap function. External button is required separately. That's the input signal to allow the robot escape. What the remark for these functions? The error handling function. In case of the error occurred during the welding, make sure a robot will not be collide to jig etc. when it escapes. If there are no problems, turn on the specified escape switch. Please note that to leave the error message, because if you close the error message, the tool auto escape will not work. A robot will escape automatically after the escaped. Remove welding error caused, nozzle cleaning or tip change etc. When the robot escape has completed, it could be informed by the output signals. And how to restart the robot? Okay, a robot will be back to error stop points and restart welding. The welding condition at this point is same as before error occurred. When the restart overlap function is active, the bid will be more beautiful by the back step functions. Friends, I hope this topic is the new and interesting for you, and that the how to resolve problem, because this is the major problem. Sometimes the production peoples uh, too much irritating for wire stick and wire no arc, these types of errors. I hope this video is useful for your knowledge. Kindly like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching these videos.